How to change the battery on the Invicta Pro Diver 23191. These are the tools that you're going to need. For this one was interesting because I thought that it was going to be a screw back, but it turned out not to be. It's just a snap type of back case, so I just snapped it out. I already did that. You might want to need one of these. You also may need this to pull out the plastic piece. If you don't have a snapback and you have a screw on, then you'll need a tool like this. Let's take a look. I already opened it up. It's a fairly easy process. So let's have a look inside. Alright, so there's our battery right there. Alright, so this is a new battery already in there. I just want to demonstrate how to take it out. So let's pull out this plastic piece. I'm going to use these. And I'm just going to find an edge and slowly start pulling out the plastic piece. Okay, once that's removed, then it's fairly easy to get to the battery. You don't have to unscrew or do anything. You can usually just do it with a simple flathead, and we're just going to pull on the edge, and then we're going to use our finger to hold the battery down so it doesn't come flying out. Okay, so we'll pretend this is the old battery and this is the new battery, and then all we do is we're going to line it up the same way we got it out. To put the battery back in, you just want to use it. You want to put the battery in this way first, and then I'm going to show you here. We're going to use this tool to lift up this little notch right here very carefully as we're putting the battery in. So let's do that now. So we got one side in like that. Then we're slowly going to grab that little notch. And we put our battery in, and we make sure that notch comes back. That's our contact. Just like that. So all I did was pull a little bit out, and now the battery's secure in place. Let's put that plastic piece back on there. Make sure you align everything correctly. Alright, so now we can see that it's keeping time. Battery's working perfectly. We can even check some of these dials to make sure that they're working properly, which they are. There we go. That's how you change the battery on the Invicta watch.